Today's video is all about the surface area of a cuboid. Now the surface area is quite simply all the surfaces added together. So we have a look at this cuboid here in question 1. We have a look at this rectangle here. This is 8 centimeters by 4 centimeters. So 8 by 4 equals 32 centimeters squared. So it's obviously the one that you can see here, but because it's a 3D rectangle, there'll be an identical one at the back over there. So we're going to need to double this. So that makes 64 centimeters squared. Then if we take this side here, that is 6 by 4 centimeters. So 6 times 4. Then obviously we've got a second one over here. So that's going to be times by 2. So 6 times 4 is 24. Double that makes 48 centimeters squared. That's these two so far. And then finally, we've got the one on the top. So this here is 8 centimeters, and it goes back by 6 centimeters. So this one here is 8 times by 6, and 6 eighths are 48. And then you times that by 2 to make 96 centimeters squared. Of course, just take your time over this. And then once you've got those three, what you need to do is add them together. So 64, 48, and 96. If you add those together, that's going to be 1018. And then 1 plus 9 is 10, plus the other is 20. So you've got 208, and that's centimeters squared because it is a surface area. Right, very quickly, do another example. So we've got this one here. So this is going to be 5 by 4. So 5 times 4, and then you need to do this side here, and then the reverse side, which is going to be the second one. You need to times that by 2. 5 times 4 is 20, times by 2 is 40 meters squared. And then we've got this side here. And this is 3 times by 4. So 3 times by 4 equals 12 centimeters squared, and that's this side here. We need to double it because there's another side. So that's 24 meters squared. And then finally, we've got the one on the top, which is 5 by 3. So 5 times by 3 is 15 meters squared. Times that by 2, and that equals 30 meters squared. And then what you need to do is you need to add them together. So 0 plus 4 plus 0 is 4. And you've got 4 plus 2, which is 6, plus 3 is 9. So that's going to be 94 meters squared. What we need to do is pause the video, have a go at the third one over here. And if you've done that, if you have a look at the front side here, that's going to be 10 by 6. So 10 times by 6, then you need to double it. So 10 times 6 is 60. Double it, and we get 120 meters squared. Then, if we have a look at the right-hand side, we've got 8 times by 6. So 8 times by 6 is 48. Times by 2 is going to be 96 meters squared. And then you've got the one on the top. So that's this one here, and that is 10 by 8. So 10 times by 8, which is 80. Then you've got the one on the very bottom as well. So you times it by 2, that's going to be 160 meters squared. So 0, 6, and 0 is 6. 2 and 9 is 11. Plus 6 is 17. Then 1 plus the extra 1 is 3. That's going to be 376 meters squared. Well done if you got that one correct.